nationally nagsiship na kayo, internationally nagsiship na rin kayo. Ano po yung future na nakikita nyo for your Tribal Miracle Oil?
I hope that I could be more successful kasi my next project is to help old people na wala na pong nag-aalaga. Paggawa ko ng mga bahay sa mga matatanda na walang nag-aalaga. With the help of this Tribal Miracle Oil, makakatulong na rin ako sa ibang matanda. Basta wala kayong makain at wala kayong matirahan at walang nag-alaga sa inyo, tatanggap ako. Normally, what I do is really step by step. Now, for the spa, I'm helping the single mother. If you can see our little children growing
Yes.
up, it's very nice to see. They're clean, they don't feel hungry, and they can go to school and they are loved. It's very nice, but I know that my next project, it will come. It would not be easy, but I like surprises.
That's very beautiful. And ako, witness ako doon sa dami ng mga bata doon po sa Spanyo. And they say, if your business has children, your business will be blessed.